Even at the end of the summer, the river is already flowing at 1,000 litres per second. It makes a dramatic sight as it plunges over this waterfall, which is called the Severn Breaks Its Neck. There are several ways in which waterfalls are formed. The most common one is due to a difference in rock type. Where a strong band of rock lies on top of a weak band, the water falling will erode the underlying weaker rocks. After a while, the inevitable happens. Over time, the waterfall cuts back. Eventually, a gorge is formed.